It's a rainy day here in the Smokies. So what do? We go out shopping from the Smoky Mountain stores. Right next to Grandmother's Kitchen. And I don't know if you can see over there, but it actually says Joy. I like that. Yep, it says Joy. I love it. There's a lot of signs. Have you ever been to this store over in Wares Valley? Look at the Grinch. Yeah. And the troll. And there's another one. Since it's after Christmas, they're having a 50% off sale on all Christmas stuff. We've got some goats. Looks like we got some more decorations back here. There's some Christmas stuff. I'm getting wet, y'all. I am getting wet. But I'm using my GoPro so that I can be out here in the rain. It's long. Oh, I should have a raincoat. I don't even have a hat on. I just have a my thing for my ears. That's cute. The bear.
So that would be $50. So that would be $25. Also. Solid wood, nicely made. I like that.
And then look at these. These are cute with the little sled. They're real slender, so you can just stick them in any corner. Oh, look at the Grinch. Those are cute.
Oh, very.
Those are so cute. And then they have signs. So if you're in the area.
The sleds are 38.
Their Christmas stuff's on sale. Look at the wooden snowflakes, and then the signs. Oh, these are cool. The vintage-looking gas station signs or pumps. Oh, look at that. It's like a Jeep tailgate. You see it's metal. I think it's just a sign, but it might be lighted. I'm not sure. Barbecue. There's some more Christmas signs. Oh, how cute. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Won't set on that, but look at this. I love this. Now see, you know, that would be mine.
That's
vintage.
Classic.
That would be something I would get.
Well, how much is it?
I don't know. And the vintage Santa.
There's a sticker on one of them.
This one says I think it says $14.99.
$14.99.
So yeah, that's
So
definitely.
that's $7.50.
Yeah. And there's a I think it's a truck.
There's a general one.
Oh, that's cute too.
That's very nice.
Yeah, that's cute too. And then here's some more. Oh, look at this one. This is a snowman wooden sign, a welcome sign, but his hat is a giant hat. A giant hat.
That is one tall
That
hat.
is cute. And then season's greetings over here. See, there's the poinsettia. It's very pretty.
Welcome. Friends
The
and
joy,
family.
the joy sign that could just go in any corner.
Noel sign with with presents on top and a
Yeah.
cardinal. Oh, that's our bird.
Some more snowmen. We love snowmen.
Oh.
Snowman, a metal snowman. Now, he's got the stakes to go in the ground. That's what these are for. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. So if you're in the Smoky Mountains, come over here to this store. So,
Is everything Christmas?
Yeah, everything is well outside. If you had studies, you would let me, you might,
a lot of bear things. Chickens, all kinds of things. Magnets. That's kind of cute. It's like a mailing a card. It's a magnet, but it's like, you know, you're putting in a photograph in an envelope and mailing it. That's cute. I've never seen one like that. Oops. So they have all kinds of sunglasses too. And then look at these. This patriotic little thing that holds your glasses. That's really cute. Donny needs that for his phone. He needs to have his phone around his neck. Oh, there's the outdoor camouflage sunglasses. Look at that. Well, they got all kinds of stuff here. Oh, that's like the sunglasses that are melting. Oh, look at the diamond ones. Oh, all kinds of styles there. Oh, look at those. That little twinkle is a little gnome fountain down there. They have coonskin hats. Like Davy Crockett. Looks like a nice warm hat right there. A couple different varieties. They have all kinds of hats. All kinds of stickers. Clothing. Now those socks look nice and cozy and warm, don't they? We have Smoky the bear cardboard cutouts here. The magnets, and they have keychains here. Bigfoot. There's a lot more hats. Chickens. Bigfoots. Bears. And there's like a bag. Shoulder bag. Kind of looks like a backpack. This looks like the maybe it's one of those bubble things for kids. Oh, no, it's a candy dispenser. Little toy trucks.
Bedding for cabins.
Bedding for cabins. Little bird houses in the sports theme. Hey, there's Texaco.
Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow planter.
It's a birdhouse-like thing. Should I take a ride in my Mustang? Should I take a ride in my Mustang? It either says yes or spin again.
Can't wait for our place to buy stuff to take from there.
Jeep. Cabin, sweet cabin. Mustang garage. Hey, look at the farm all. Hey, look at that, Scott. Look at that. That's for you, Scott. Caution, Bigfoot breeding area. Avoid eye contact. Elvis. 66 garage. This is like one of those things that looks like a pie pan, you know? Chevrolet. The bears, Mama Bear. Tennessee, Gatlinburg and Pigeon Ford, Cades Cove, Great Smoky Mountains, Pigeon Forge, and there's some more signs. Those are LED wall decor signs. That's a nice little thing there. Look at the, it looks like an oil thing for, it says motor oil on it. And there's a pump. Oh, look at those trucks. Those are cute. He says he does not like humans. Warning, do not feed the bears. Sasquatch parking only. All others will be Sasquatched. More hats. Bigfoot. The original mountain man. It's getting a little glare on it. All kinds of signs here. More hats. Oh, there's some more signs. Here's a little Christmas hat. All roads lead home at Christmas. Those are little wooden boxes. That's cute, isn't it? More signs up there. This is a cute little ornament with the moose. A little snowman made out of rocks. That's adorable, isn't it?
That is a classic.
That's a motorcycle sidecar.
I mean, old. The toy isn't old, but the design.
Design is old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That's really. This is not a toy, but for decoration only. Oh, Mom. I can't play with it. with my Kindle and my G.I. Joe.
This is metal, but it looks like it's leather. I mean, it looks like it's leather, doesn't it? I mean,
that's probably originally.
It's really designed well.
$39. That's pretty rich.
Yeah, really designed well.
Just makes you think things, you know. Did a good job.
Mm-hmm. Really nice.
Made it to look old.
And then look at this plane, because my dad was a flight engineer. Of course, I'm attracted to planes. Really beautiful. There's another one. This is a seaplane. It lands on the water. I like these hats. They got a pom-pom on them. Stars and stripes. Cute. Happy campers have some more fun. And this is cute. This mirror. The bear with the bark around there. That's really cute. Barbecue sign. Happy place, welcome. Jeep sign, neon. All kinds of metal signs. These are cute. These with the lights on them. Big old Bigfoot right there. There's a lot more Christmas in here. That's really cute. I like that. With the snowman. It's wooden, cut out. The elves are cute, the snowman's cute. There's another cute sign right there. Countdown. Oh, that's really cute. It's metal. And I'm guessing this is like a magnet on it. It's got little magnets on it. So you can count down to Christmas. Oh, cute over here. Look at those snowman, the signs, everything. Oh, Santa's really, really cute too. There's a metal Santa sign back there. All kinds of Christmassy things in here. Not sure if the things on the inside are 50% off or not. You have to ask at the front. Those are cute, really cute. I like, it's got the like shiny on there. There's a little barn. It's cute. The sign does say outdoor Christmas decorations 50%, up to 50% off.